Hello everyone, I am Shashank, currently pursuing MBA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, which is affiliated to VTU. Today I am going to present PPT on competitive analysis of Porter's 5 force model. Porter's 5 force model is a framework for analyzing competitive forces that shape an industry. The model helps businesses understand the intensity of competition and profitability potential with their industry. This force examines how easy or difficult in for new competitors to enter the industry, and this force look at how much power suppliers or have drive up prices or reduce the quality of goods and services. And also, this forces model is a framework for analyzing the competitive environment for industry. This model identifies the five key forces that influence competition and profitability in industry. Threat of new entrants. This model identifies five key forces that influence competition and profitability in any industry. That's are threat of new entrants, bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitute products, bargaining power of suppliers, and rivalry among the existing competitors. The five force model overview. The five force are competitive rivalry, threat of new entrants, and threat of substitutes, and bargaining power of buyers and the bargaining power of suppliers. Each force plays a crucial role in shaping the competitive landscape and determining the market attractiveness. Understanding these forces enables the companies to craft strategies and enhance their competitive positions. Competitive rivalry. Competitive rivalry refers to an intensity of competition among existing firms in industry. High levels of rivalry can lead to price wars, innovation races, and increased marketing expenses. Factors influencing rival includes number of competitors, industry growth, and product differentiation. Threat of new entrants. Threat of new entrants assesses the easy with which new competitors can enter the market. Barriers to entry such as capital requirements, regulatory constraints, and brand loyalty impact this threat. A high rate of new entrants can pressure existing firms to innovate and improve efficiencies. Rate of substitutes. The rate of substitutes evaluate the availability of alternative products or services that can fulfill the same need. A high rate of substitute can limit price increases and reduce profitability for existing firms. Companies must continuously innovate to differentiate their offerings from substitutes in the market. Bargaining power of buyers. The bargaining power of buyers indicates how much influence customers have in pricing and terms. When buyers have a high bargaining power, they can demand lower prices or higher quality, squeezing margins. Factors that increase buyer power include availability of information and low switching costs. Bargaining leverage. Buyer concentration versus company concentration. Buyer volume and buyer switching costs are relative to company switching cost. Buyer information, ability to integrate substitute products, pull through. Price sensitivity, price or total purchases, product differences, brand and identity impact on quality and performance. Buyer profits, decision makers incentives. Bargaining power of suppliers. The bargaining power of suppliers refers to the ability of suppliers to influence the price of goods and services. High supplier power can lead to increased cost of companies, affecting their profitability. Factors influencing supplier power include the number of suppliers, unique use of their products, and their rate of forward integration. The bargaining power of suppliers have a when their products have few substitutes and the important to buyers. The buyers industry is not an important customer to supplier. Differentiation makes it costly for a buyer to switch suppliers. Suppliers can vertically integrate forward to compete with buyers, and buyers can't integrate backward to supply their own needs. Analyzing the model. Analyzing the five force model involves evaluating each force to understand its impact on industry. Companies should conduct through analysis to identify opportunities and threats within their market. This analysis can guide strategic planning and competitive success. Practical applications. Businesses can use Porter's 5 force models, assess market entry strategies, and competitive threats. This model aids in identifying critical areas for investment and resource allocation. Companies can develop strategies that leverage strength and mitigate weaknesses identified through the analysis. Porter 5 Ports model includes bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, competitive rivalry, threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes. Conclusion. The Porter's 5 Force model remains a vital tool for competitive analysis across the various industries. By understanding these forces, companies can enhance their strategic design making processes. Continuous evaluation of competitive landscape is essential for sustaining a competitive advantages. Rate of new entry, time and cost of entry, specialist knowledge, economics of scale, cost advantages, technology protection, barriers to entry, competitive rivalry, number of competition, quality differentiation, other differences, switching cost, customer loyalty, supplier power, number of suppliers, size of suppliers, unequence of services, your ability to substitute, cost of changing, threat of substitution, substitute performance, cost of change, buyer power, number of customers, size of each order, difference between a competition, price sensitivity, ability to substitute, cost of changing. These are the competitive rivalry which is in the five forces model. Thank you.